In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the common issue of Phantom Wallet not connecting. If you've ever experienced difficulties logging into your Phantom Wallet, this guide will walk you through the steps to get it up and running smoothly again. First, let's start by opening the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Once you have it open, make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because you'll need to be on the home page to perform the next steps. On the home page, you'll be able to see your account balance, tokens, and various features such as the ability to receive, send, swap, and buy tokens. This interface is designed to give you a quick overview and access to all the functionalities that Phantom has to offer. Now, it's not uncommon for the app to automatically disconnect your session from time to time. When this happens, don't worry, there's an easy way to fix it. You'll need to head over to the app settings. To get to the settings, simply look for the gear icon, which is typically found in the menu or toolbar. Once you're inside the settings menu, find the section labeled Storage. This is where we can perform some housekeeping to ensure the app runs smoothly. In the storage options, you'll notice two important choices: Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache first. Clearing the cache basically removes temporary files that are stored by the app. These files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, causing the app to not behave as expected. Next, select Clear Data. Bear in mind that this will remove any saved information like your login details or preferences, so you might need to enter them again. However, clearing this data is necessary as it effectively resets the app, removing any potential issues that are causing the connectivity problems. After you've taken care of clearing both the cache and the data, navigate back to the login screen. Try logging into your account once more. With the app's temporary data now refreshed, you should be able to connect without any issues. Congratulations, you've now fixed the problem of Phantom Wallet not connecting. Remember, maintaining your app's storage by regularly clearing cache and data can prevent connectivity issues from popping up in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now back in business with your Phantom Wallet. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore more of our tutorials for additional support and tips on maintaining a seamless experience with your digital wallets. Thanks for watching and happy trading.